Hello everyone, hopefully you're doing well. Today we are going to discuss most important topic, digitizing embroidery software. Before we continue, please subscribe our channel. Embroidery has evolved significantly over the years, and digitizing embroidery software has played a key role in this transformation. If you're in the embroidery business or simply a hobbyist, understanding digitizing software is essential to produce high-quality, intricate designs. What is embroidery digitizing software? Embroidery digitizing software is a specialized tool used to convert images or text into a digital format that embroidery machines can read. These digital files guide the machine on how to stitch the design onto fabric, ensuring precision and speed. Why use digitizing embroidery software? Here are some compelling reasons why digitizing software is essential. Accuracy. Manual embroidery is prone to human error, but digitizing software ensures perfect alignment and consistency. Efficiency saves time by automatically generating complex designs that would take much longer to stitch manually. Customization allows you to personalize designs by editing shapes, colors, and stitching styles. Cost-effective reduces material wastage and speeds up production, making it a cost-efficient solution for businesses. Key features of digitizing embroidery software. While different software options have varying features, some essential aspects include auto-digitizing, automatically converts images into embroidery designs. Stitch editing allows detailed customization of stitches for a perfect finish. Vector conversion converts vector images directly into stitchable designs. 3D preview offers a real-time view of how the design will look on fabric. File format compatibility supports various file formats like PS, DST, EMB, and more. Top digitizing embroidery software options. Here are a few popular embroidery digitizing software options in the market. Wilcom, known for professional grade features and high precision. Hatch Embroidery, a user-friendly option ideal for both beginners and pros. Brother PE Design offers versatility with a focus on home-based embroidery. SewArt, an affordable choice for hobbyists with basic features. Choosing the right embroidery digitizing software. When selecting software, consider ease of use. Opt for software that matches your skill level. Features. Make sure the software supports the features you need, such as auto-digitizing and stitch editing. Budget. Ensure the software fits within your financial range, whether for personal use or professional needs. Customer support. Look for reliable customer service and tutorials for learning. Conclusion. Digitizing embroidery software is an invaluable tool for anyone looking to improve the quality and efficiency of their embroidery. Whether you're a professional or a beginner, investing in the right software can significantly enhance your designs and streamline your workflow.